Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Taylor Monet, and I'm coming back with a new video. Get out my video, go back in the living room. Gotta fuss at the kids because they keep messing with me. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, quick weave, and I showed y'all. I didn't show y'all the breakdown, but I showed y'all the cap and all that, and then me styling. Well, I didn't really style my hair. I think I'm gonna do a part 2 styling my hair, but I think I'm gonna do a voiceover for this video, somewhat of a tutorial. I think I did a really good job though. Anyway, I also cut my hair right here, so yeah, I cut my hair right there, but I'm not gonna make this video too long. I didn't cut my hair doing this install, but I did cut my hair the other day on some stupid stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna have to put that hair oil that I make in my hair so I can grow that back. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the rest of this video. The hair that I use is my hair collection, Monet Society, my brand, my baby. So if you want to shop with me, hit me up in the description box below. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna hit y'all in the next video. Deuces. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be laying a tray. I already put the cap on, and then basically I just used the hair glue. I did not use the 30-second glue. I used the regular smegular hair glue. Keep that in mind. I do not use 30-second glue because it don't work. So yeah, I did the perimeter around my whole head, and then I started just gluing the tracks in, y'all. I did put Got to Be glue spray, the yellow can. I put the glue on the track, and then I sprayed it with the Got to Be spray. And then I blow dry my hair after each track was being laid. And yeah, that's what I did until I got to the top. I am doing it in fast motion so it can go by quick. It's really simple, really easy. I may do an in-depth tutorial on this if y'all want me to. And if y'all want me to do a breakdown tutorial on how I did my breakdown. Because I'm so excited, y'all. I know how to braid now. I forgot. I said some things that I didn't plan to say. Okay, so I pretty much finished gluing the tracks. Now I cut the cap for my leave out. I did do leave out on my sides with my edges on. Y'all see that? I did do leave out there. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I do. Depends on how I'm feeling that day. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all how my leave out looks. Everything looks so clean, precise. I was so excited, y'all. So yeah, I'm just about to basically style it. When I say style, very minimal styling, very tired at this point. So I couldn't really do the style that I really wanted to do because I started getting sleepy. So I just put that care, that care stick is bomb. And then I high comb. You need the high comb, okay? You need it. That's the only way the install is gonna work. You need a hot comb. So invest in a really good hot comb. That one goes up to like 500 degrees. And yeah, so just watch me at least do my leave out, and then we're gonna be done with the video, okay?
Every time that